How to buy shares of Caisse Regionale de Crédit Agricole Mutuel Toulouse 31, listed on Euronext with ticker CAT31.PA. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and I will use eToro as a clear example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds to proceed. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker CAT31.PA to find the correct listing. Confirm it shows Caisse Regionale de Crédit Agricole Mutuel Toulouse 31 on Euronext. Open the asset page to read the company overview and view the price chart. Make sure the company name and ticker CAT31.PA match before you continue. To place a buy order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed on open depending on the platform, and if there are insufficient funds, you will be prompted to add them before the trade is confirmed. After your purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the link in the description if you want to follow the same steps on eToro.